Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel, or just, I don't know, everyone's fucking saying welcome back to my channel. Anyway, I haven't been on camera in a hot fucking minute. So sorry if I'm awkward, that's why I'm gonna do a voiceover. So I kind of just wanted to do like my signature look, and by my signature look I mean like I was trying to create one. So enjoy the video. I don't know exactly how it's gonna turn out, but we'll see. And then enjoy my tree in the background. Wow, I'm doing my makeup because this is the best background that I found, because, well, it's the only background I found because the light's out in front of me. Anyway, I'm gonna go because I'm gonna go because I have no idea how to talk in front of the camera right now. Enjoy the video.
Hi everyone, it's been a cute little minute, but I'm back and truly better than ever. I'm quickly getting into this look using the Too Faced Born This Way Natural Nudes palette, and I'm taking the shade Swan. I'm just washing that across my lid with a standard fluffy brush, and this will help set the concealer and or primer that I've already applied. This is also going to brighten my inner corner, act as my lid shade, and allow the other shades to blend over top a lot more easily. Next, I'm taking Seashell, a warmer pinky brown shade, very similar to Soft Brown by M.A.C. This is going to help add depth, so as you can see, I'm fluffing this into the front area of my brow and feathering it into my nose contour. The goal here is to add shadow where your bones recede, and this is going to help define your face a lot more than just copying an eyeshadow look. Picking up the shade Truffle on a bullet-shaped pencil brush from Morphe, I'm creating depth and smokiness at the lash line as well as flicking it upwards and out for an elongated effect on the eyes. I'll build this up slowly and go in and fluff it out if I feel it's a little too harsh for my liking. I used Milani's matte liquid liner to create a small to medium wing, keeping it pretty thin along the lash line. I prepped around my lips to make sure my base was ready for lip liner, and I added highlight in the areas I enjoy it. I always go over it with a big fluffy brush to make sure there's no harsh lines. And then I line my lips using M.A.C Cork lip liner. I always like to overline a little bit and fill in my lips with liner. Doing the liner all over first helps to keep the color there since it is wax based, but specifically for this look I did want most of my lips filled in except for the very center. Another step in a weird order, I sprayed Urban Decay's All Nighter, probably because it was getting hot and I didn't want it to wet my mascara. I curled my lashes, I applied mascara. I'm using the Ardell Lash Trio lashes, and I'm using medium on the outer corner and small towards the center of my lash line. I like to add my liner to the inner corner to create a seamless effect with the lashes. And then here are more touch-ups. I added a little bit of maple to give more depth and a little more warmth. In the center of my lips, I applied M.A.C lipstick in the shade Yash, and I didn't have a lip brush handy, so this brought me back to the day when my mom would apply makeup for drama, and the moms would always use Q-tips to apply the lipstick. Anyway, that's it for today. I love you guys so much. I really hope you enjoyed this look. Thank you for being here, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.